yeah. Thank you, Chuchu. Happy April Fool's Day. So
tawag ka. Mga tingin sa kabilang mundo, gumawa ng gulo. Hindi sila magawa, kundi ilangan namin ang tulong mo dito. Ako yung vibe yan, ha?
Hi darlings! Today is March 22 and it's already 6:17 in the evening. Nag-film lang ako ng something and I just wanna share something with you guys. Chuchu Beauty sent me another package. Very happy kasi you know naman, Chuchu Beauty has a special place in my heart. They sent me their merch. Ayan. This is their Chuchu Chug. And merong cute pouch. Ayan. Super cute. And also, they finally have their sunscreen collections. This is their sunstick and this is yung parang sun shield nila. So, all of this were discussed on my TikTok video. Siguro i-link ko na lang dito sa baba, sa section, ay, sa description. So, yeah. Thank you, Chuchu, again.
Katas ng, anong mga wala? Alejandro.
Hi guys! So today is March 24. It's already 8:24 in the evening. So here's my dinner. This is a salad that I've made with random ingredients. So lettuce, bacon, strips, carrots, cucumber, and Caesar dressing. And I also added sesame seeds. Ang sarap. Tapos, I also have here a drink. So, dito ko siya tinimpla. Hibiscus tea na tinimplan ko ng lemon and keto sugar. So, yeah. Let's eat, guys!
Ito yung pinakaunang meal. Of course, after everything na necessary, a lot of articles and
araw-araw ang bawat hininga ng pag
dapat same night.
Hi! Come on.
Hi!
Hi!
Ay, tono eh. Nagigigil ka na.
This one's for sure. You're not coming. Gotta go.
Makes perfect sense.
Hi darling! So today is March 27. It's currently 5:02 in the afternoon. As you can see, I'm all dressed up because we're gonna go to Santiago, and that's because it's the graduation of my youngest sister. She is finally graduating senior high school, and magkakaroon kami ng family dinner later sa Charinas ulit. So, join us guys!
Nanawaan din na bata lang siya.
Hi! Say hi! Say hi! Ano ba, te? Ayoko nga!
Tikman ko lang, hindi nga masakit sa
Yan o, patigim mo sa kanya.
tikman niya naman. Grabe na yung lang sa kuha. Lolo. Arvin. Isa dali mo siya dito nga. Dali mo siya dito. Ay, lolo da. Lolo. Batin mo. Lolo. Lolo. May makeup ko. Pag yung nagagawa ko, binibigyan ko si mama kapag sakit. What? What? One-sided, one-sided. Grabe. Sayos ka pa.
LeBron James.
Enzo!
You know?
Yo!
Yun yung sa kanya.
Ah, bonita. Kiss na daw.
Ala, hindi yan yun. Ayun yun, oh, yun. Ayun.
Afar, yes?
Hello.
Kaya nga.
Sakay ka? Sakay?
Kaya nga.
Tawagin mo sila ka. Sila mag-picture.
Hi! So today is March 28. It's already 11:24 in the evening. Wala akong entry today kasi may sakit ako, guys. Naisipan ko lang mag-entry now because I wanna share with you my current situation here. I'm watching vlog and I am eating McDo takeout, and all I can order sa McDo, I want chicken fillet a la king and regular fries, and I have here, alam niyo yung pinakulaang ginger with lemon for my sore throat kasi I have sore throat. That's the update for today. Actually, dapat aalis kami kanina, but hindi natuloy kasi nga I wasn't feeling very well.
I like dipping in supplies. That's why you would say that kasi, ano?
Noong unang panahon,
Kaya wala na yung masusupin na makakapasok dito. Ti amo a questa oggi sono figli.
Ang mga mata at kapag para
Hi guys, so I'm just sharing with you, ang dami kong parcels today, ayan, kasi I'm planning another renovation dito sa workroom ko because I really want my background to change. And ayan, tapos ko ng isa kanina, this is yung bago kong chair kasi yung isa is talagang hindi ako kinakaya, talagang natatanggal yung mga wheels niya. So, I bought another one. Super cute. Ako lang nag-build niyan. And this one, gagawin ko rin. So, samahan niyo ako, guys.
Iba't ibang lingwahe. Doon mo makikita.
Gusto ko yan! Uy, Pinoy! Bilisan mo na yung pagdadala ng semento. Akala ko ba kaya mo? Sir, kaya ko. Gawin na yung semento, sir. Alam mo na yan.
Hi darlings! So today is April 1. Happy April Fool's Day. So it's already 5:07. Actually, super tagal na ng weekly vlog na to. Ang dami niya nang na-cover na days. Pero, sorry cause I got really sick. Yun, tuloy hindi ko na-edit yung mga vlogs and konti lang din yung mga entry ko for this vlog. That's why, in-extend ko na para naman kahit papaano, marami pa rin ganap in this weekly vlog. So as you can see, I have a different background because I somehow renovated again my work area. So that's it. Ngayon naalis ako, I'll go outside and I'll be maybe buying things or essentials for my office room. Kasi may sinushoot din ako ngayon na collab. So I really need to go out. So let's go guys. Darling, so it's already 6:41 p.m. I'm here at Land Bank and magda-deposit lang ako saglit ng money. So kakatapos ko mag-grocery, I've again restocked mga stock. So yeah.